Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 24th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and I'm on the 4-hour time frame. So on the pound yen, it's been very overlapping pattern for a while now. Technically, the daily market flow is down, but the trend itself is up until we get this break of structure right here. We have to realize that this whole move down we're seeing, the choppy price action, could go to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels and it could continue the uptrend very easily. But because the market flow is down on the daily, I am technically looking for sorts until we get that Fibonacci bounce and a break of structure back to the upside, which we don't have yet. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I currently have my Fibonacci retracement on the last push down. If this move up is a correction to the last move down, it will go right to a Fibonacci retracement level, make a nice engulfing move to the downside, and continue the downtrend potentially. Now, it could try to go up and take out these highs, grab some liquidity before it goes down. Definitely a possibility, which is why I always like to wait for candle close. It might look like an entry, and then, by the time the candle closes, it goes all the way back up. So I will wait for a nice engulfing move down, preferably at a Fibonacci level, to take my next sorting opportunity. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.